Hey guys, welcome back to another devlog for Semper Fi or Die. This is JT with Beach Block Games, and I actually have a quick favor to ask. If you have found this devlog series and maybe you've been following, if you would leave a like, it helps the YouTube algorithm. And then if you are if you would leave a comment below whether you are a gamer and you're interested in this game and what it might become, or if you are a developer and you would like me to do some more, I guess, cover some more technical aspects of the development process in these. But right now, I'm just doing an overview of the state of the game, like I've been doing the last few weeks. So since the last update, I think last time I had my controller updated to where the camera is locked on the player, the mouse rotates, keyboard walks back and forth, strafe side to side, except I don't have the strafing animations hooked up yet. Hopefully I'll have that done for next time. But I kind of did my scene here for my pickups. Now we're only going to mess with a frag grenade for right now. As far as grenades go, I'm not focused on inventory right now. We know that works. But what I've been focusing on is getting some of these weapons working and the animations working better. Now, I'll show you one thing here real quick. So you can see that steel target right there. I can kind of point that general direction, give a grenade a toss. Now, it does bounce a little bit. It does have a blast radius, so it actually, if you could hear that, it activated that sound on that target from where it exploded. But I'm gonna just give one a little bit further of a chuck down the road there, and hopefully yep. Okay, so it should have actually done damage to that dummy. That one did not get far enough. Here, we'll just do this one. I went too far. Anyway, so the point is that those grenades do. I don't know where that one's going. Anyway, one thing I do have an issue with: if I pick up a weapon, I don't have it set up to disable this aiming layer on the animator, so it just kind of chucks a grenade there. I need to. I do have animation rigging hooked up now, so I can't really tell it the way my character's standing. I need to adjust the angle, I think, of the animation a little bit. But he is holding the pistol on the. Actually, I'll tell you what. Let me just pause the game view, and actually it switched me back over to the scene right away. But you can see how my player's holding the pistol. Okay, and then if I switch back to game view and unpause, and then I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go ahead and pick up this grenade launcher because we can have some fun with it. So first of all, while I got the pistol, if I right click, I still zoom in. I'm actually going to change that camera to go to a first person view where we're looking down the iron sights of the gun. But so I can reload my gun. I added some ammunition stuff, so yeah, I need to tweak the accuracies on the gun, so I'd like that to be a little more accurate from there, even though we are actually down the street a little ways. That's probably not that bad, and I'm out of ammo for that. But let me switch over to this grenade launcher. Now, again, we'll pause here, and we're going to jump over to the scene view. And you can see I do have a little issue with the grenade launcher positioning where I need to get this hand out here, which means I need his body to rotate a little bit. So again, I do need to tweak that animation to where he's turned a little bit more to the right when he's holding the weapons. But for now, this will do. It's a step in the right direction, a major step in the right direction. So let's go back over to game view, and again I can kind of zoom in like this, and this gun actually has or grenade launcher has a scope on it. But if I just kind of lob a grenade over here, get a little closer, there we go, it actually does do damage. So there's a few targets down through here, and these will actually activate the noise on that too. Yeah, that one I hit directly, so we can, yeah, we have to aim up just a little bit. And again, I need to tweak some of the settings for the, there, we got rid of that guy, and there's one hiding behind this rock. Let's see if we can shoot over. Yeah, we got over the rock, got rid of him. Alright, so I also have this this guy right here. Now the problem is, if I pick that up, it's going to go in my backpack, and I don't have a way to switch that from my backpack to my loadout yet. So we will be revisiting inventory at some point. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to restart this game real quick. Okay, we're back in the game. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and grab this. And again, you can see, I'll just pause that and go to scene view, where I can look at my player, and you can see where I've got the weapon animation actually, or the weapon animation, the inverse kinematics, the animation rigging, that's what I was trying to say, set up to where I've got kind of a somewhat decent hold on the gun. Probably could tweak that one, drop it down just a little bit, but again, yeah, the animation for that I'm using on the player does need tweaked. It's just a generic rifle animation. But anyway, so let's go ahead and resume here, and then again I can, this is just a single quick fire, it's not full auto. This one faster than the pistol is set up, so I have fully customizable weapons that are just built off of a scriptable object. And I didn't, yeah, I'm out of ammo now. I should have updated the gun's ammo counts before I started playing, because the scriptable objects data is persistent within the editor, and not every time you start the game. It doesn't reset it. So anyway, that's pretty much what I got done this past week. I just have these 3 guns pretty well set up there. I worked a lot on getting the grenades to work with the grenade launcher, and it is not using the same prefab as these frag grenades. It's a different projectile. It behaves differently. The projectile from the grenade launcher explodes on impact, whereas the frag grenades are a timed detonation. And then, so I guess I want to talk about the next thing I'm planning on getting done here is I want to take, probably not this character, but as you know, one of the other character models I have. I want to get an enemy AI set up. Well, I shouldn't even say an AI, just an enemy character. It's going to be pretty dumb. Basically what it's going to do is look for the player in a field of view. If it sees it, it'll try to shoot at it. I'll set up some accuracy on it so I have a chance of it missing, something like that. And I doubt I'll even have a move at this point, but I just want to get a enemy's character set up so that I can shoot back and forth, and then maybe have them ragdoll when they die or something like that. Make it so that my player can actually die and probably respawn or something, just so I can do some gameplay clips and get that stuff ready for the Steam store page. I was hoping to have that done by this week or next week. It does not look like that's going to happen. So at this point I'm shooting for probably the end of the month, possibly early February. So anyway, guys, that's what I got done for now. Leave a comment below. Tell me if there's some of these mechanics you want to see me go into any technical detail on. As far as at least the way I've done it, my project so far is kind of a hodgepodge of some different systems from different sources, plus my own stuff. Again, the inventory system, the inventory Tetris, is from this grid storage here is from CodeMonkey's inventory Tetris system, and these guns are set up based on the scriptable object gun system from Llama Academy. And I will probably add them in the description. Oh, I ran out of bullets. So I will see you next time.